Good morning. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 27 December 2021, Monday. My research analyst details are given here. I talk about the Nifty and the stocks that I give on CNBC, and the basis of these views are discussed in this YouTube video every day. Nifty resistance comes somewhere around 17,200. Now, I wouldn't go and buy anything if the Nifty goes below 16,900, which it could easily. Should I short? I'm not very comfortable going short in end of the December season when there is a traditional seasonal rally possible. So if the Nifty holds here, or if I see that this could be a stop loss for a buying opportunity, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll just let it go. The Bank Nifty is much weaker. There is resistance at 35,400. But again here, after a big gap down, the trade is actually to wait for markets to stabilize. If there is something possible, then we would buy it with this 34,600 stop, or we just let it go. Coforge has broken out of this trading range. This was featured earlier also. I would be a buyer in Coforge with a stop at 54.50. This is more of a positional trade. Similarly, IRCTC is in a narrow range. If it breaks out, if it goes above 845, that would be a sign that it's breaking out, and we would then be able to buy it with a stop under 815. If it doesn't show this strength, then of course there's nothing to buy. Hero MotoCorp is in some kind of a bear market of its own. Even that small rally, this is much lower than what the Nifty rallied last week. There's an intraday short with a stop above 24.13. All in all, a choppy day is possible today. Have an enjoyable day, trade carefully, manage your risk, enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching this video.